Have you ever felt like you're walking a path laid out for you? Have you ever wondered if there's more to life than just following the crowd? Welcome, my friends, to a discussion about creating your own path in life. Life is a journey, and each one of us has our own road to travel. But how many of us can truly say that we are the architects of our own journey? How many of us have the courage to step off the beaten path and blaze our own trail? As we delve deeper into this topic, let's remember that creating your own path isn't about rebelling or being different for the sake of being different. It's about listening to your inner voice, your passions, and your dreams. It's about having the courage to be true to yourself, even when the world is telling you to conform. It's easy to follow the crowd, to walk the path that society has laid out for us, but is that path truly yours? Or is it a path built by others, shaped by their expectations and their definition of success? Creating your own path requires courage. It requires you to question, to dream, and to take risks. It's about embracing the unknown, about being willing to fail, and about learning from every experience. Remember, the path you create for yourself won't always be easy. There will be obstacles, there will be doubters, and there will be mistakes. But every challenge is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to become stronger. Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path, and leave a trail. These words by Ralph Waldo Emerson perfectly encapsulate the spirit of creating your own path. So, my friends, I urge you to take control of your journey. Listen to your heart, follow your passions, and don't be afraid to create your own path. Remember, it's your road, and yours alone. Others may walk it with you, but no one can walk it for you.